Hi everyone, my name is Anna Daracelia and I'm a patron ambassador and I'm going to be showing you how to use myMCPS Classroom because that's what your teachers are going to be using this year, and this is also how you're going to get into the Zoom link for new student orientation. So when you first search up MCPS Classroom, it's going to take you to this page and you're going to want to click on staff/students, and that's going to redirect you to a sign-in where you're going to want to use your mcpsmd.net email to sign in. However, if you are on a Chromebook, you're not going to have to re-sign in. So once you do that, it's going to take you right here to this page, which is your dashboard, where all of your courses will be displayed. So to get to new student orientation, you're going to want to click onto this course. And right there, right on the home page, it's going to show you a Zoom link as well as a meeting ID and the passcode. So for a Zoom link, you're going to want to click here and you're going to click on Open Zoom Meetings. And then it's going to ask you to sign in. So you're going to have to sign in to join, and you're going to have to use your mcpsmd.net email again in order to do that so that you can join. Or if that doesn't work for you, on this page, you can click Join a Meeting, and right here it's going to ask you to type in your meeting ID, which is right there for you. So you can click on that and enter it here, and then you click Join. And since the meeting isn't going on right now, I can't join, but it's going to take you to another screen where you're going to have to type in the passcode, which is Patriots, and then you can join the meeting, and it's going to work for you just like that. So if you have any questions about how to use MCPS Classroom or how to get into your Zoom, you can contact our Media Center Specialist, Mrs. Burke, or you can contact us through the paexecboard@gmail.com email, and we'll be happy to answer any questions. So while we're here, I'm also just going to show you some things about MCPS Classroom. So right here is a discussions tab where you can post comments and respond to other students, and you could have some assignments here. And in the assignments tab, you can view assignments, when they're due, and how many points they are. And in modules, your teacher may post some videos, links, PDFs, and assignments for you to do, so you're going to want to look here as well. So back on your dashboard, this is where all of your classes are going to appear, and on the side is a to-do list with assignments and when they're due. In the courses tab, you can see all of your courses again. And then there's a calendar option where you can see all of your assignments for every course and when they're due, and you can select and deselect classes. So for example, I can select both of these or take them off. And I like this option a lot because it's everything in one place. And then this inbox is where your teachers will get into contact with your class, so that's where you can see their messages to all of you. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to Wootton. You guys are going to do great.